we're exploring the picturesque beach town of Venice, Florida, known as the Shark's Tooth capital of the world, and cherished by the historic charm and coastal beauty. Hi, I'm Carol Burdelik. I'm your host today here with American Dream TV, where we talk about real people and real stories. So come join me today here in Venice. Sunbug is known for its expansive collection of beachy swimwear, bright resort wear, and statement jewelry. Twist Boutique offers sleek, sophisticated coastal styles for men and women. The shop carries popular name brands perfectly suited for boating, lunch dates, or relaxed evenings along the coastal waterways. Today, we're here with the store owner of Sunbug and Twist Boutique, Norhala. I appreciate you meeting with me today, and I would love to hear what got you excited to take over this iconic 40-year-old Sunbug and Twist Boutique.
We were looking for a business, and we stumbled across a clothing store in Venice that was listed for sale. We walked the streets before we met with the owners. Everybody was so nice. The downtown is beautiful. It feels like a community. And those things all really played a factor in us making this decision. That was when I knew.
So how long has it been now since you've owned both shops?
My partner James and I purchased Sunbug in 2017. And we did celebrate the store's 40th anniversary about a year and a half ago. I know, it's pretty special, I think.
Yeah.
And we're honored to carry on that tradition. We have evolved the store, of course, keeping up with the trends and the locals now. The locals have changed also.
I know, I've enjoyed shopping. I'm wearing one of your outfits right now.
Fantastic, as always.
And looking forward to doing some more shopping today.
Wonderful, thanks.
Boy, I certainly worked up an appetite after all that shopping. How about you guys?
Oh, me too.
I heard about this place that has authentic Italian cuisine. Oh. Would you like to try it for lunch?
Absolutely.
All right, it's over here. So I'm here with the owner, Mino, who owns 2 restaurants here in Venice. One is the Trattoria de Mino, as well as the Harbor Bistro. So we're here at Harbor Bistro right now, and you have such an amazing story to tell. I would love for you to share with us. Here you are, the 4th generation now. How did it all begin?
Well, we owned the oldest restaurant in southeast of Italy, which is right across Greece on the Adriatic Sea. My grandfather opened up in 1908. And now, since 2013, I've been in Paradise, Venice, Florida. They welcome me. I feel really good over here.
Oh, he's got one of your dishes here. Look at that.
This is basically poached eggs with smoked salmon from Scotland. The eggs are from my farm, and basically with some chives, some grape tomato, some chickpeas, which are part of the diet from my hometown.
So I understand we're going to be going over to your pizzeria.
Yeah, our sister restaurants, which is located about 40 yards away around the corner, and it's more of an Italian restaurant. We have been open there for the past 11 years. We have one of the best rating. So we're going to show you how to make some fresh mozzarella from fresh curd, which I already started because of timing. We're going to make some orecchiette pasta with the broccoli wrap and a touch of sausage with a touch of fennel. I made some bolognese, which is naturally sweet with carrots, not sugar. And I would like you to try and be the judge of it. That's it.
I'm looking forward to it, and so are our friends. So we'll be heading over there next. Mino, thank you so much for having us today. I have such a great appreciation for what you do with your recipes I've been here before, but to hear the whole story and to hear your history, it's just amazing. So I thank you. I am stuffed. So thank you so much.
Thank you to American TV, Dream TV. And don't forget, grazie, arrivederci, and don't forget, la vita è bella. Thank you.
Well, there you have it. You got to see downtown Venice, Florida, where we got to go to the unique boutiques. We went to have Italian authentic food. We got to see the culture here as well as the Mediterranean style, the beaches. This town has it all. And it's so warm and welcoming. And I hope you enjoyed our tour today. Again, I'm Carol Burdelik, your host with American Dream TV. And I look forward to seeing you on the next episode.